training purposes, and that's being coming. I don't want to say now because if the press reports, I think MIT people will feel bad. They don't want anything to be known to them. And some of the major companies also are the same thing. One of the three companies, we were able to prevail over them under the present circumstances, like Google, Amazon, and Oracle. They have agreed to, go in a big way outside America. Please, some of my press friends, don't use this and write it. Because it will go counterproductive. But I wanted to share with you, that's why I'm telling, but not for press publication. దయచేసి రాయకండి ఎవరైనా తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నా కానీ అంటే ఇంగ్లీష్ వాళ్ళు రాస్తారా అని అంటారా కాదు ఎవరూ రాయకూడదని మా విన్నపం ఎందుకంటే లక్ష్యాన్ని సాధించే దిశలోపట ఎన్నో కార్యక్రమాలు చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది లక్ష్యం ముఖ్యంగానే మార్గాలు ముఖ్యంగా అందుకోసం అది చేయకుండా ఉంటే బాగుంటుందని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ప్రార్థిస్తుంటా ఎందుకంటే it becomes counterproductive. In any case, all that I can say as a government, we are not too far to assist you because the state of Andhra Pradesh is number one in many aspects in the IT and hardware areas, and we are only that far away from your iPhone with a push or a click from your mouse on the laptop or whatever it is. We'll try to assist you. Please go through our websites and whatever you have in mind, whichever way you want the government to assist you, we'll definitely come to your expectations. We'll reply you, we'll assist you, we'll cooperate with you, and see that the state of Andhra Pradesh or the Telugu people will always be on a high pedestal compared to any other one, with dedicated, concentrated, cumulative, or otherwise all of our participation in such things. That's all I can say. I don't want to take much of your time. I wish you all the best, having come all the way from US. And I remember how hard it is to organize Indian associations. I worked for 2 years in New Jersey in 71 and 72, 2 years. That was only one association of Indians in North America. Everybody was there, not just Telugu. In Telugu now I think we must have some half a dozen associations. It's very difficult. In spite of your jobs, in spite of your businesses, you're able to spend some time for the good of the society in general and specifically for Telugu people. I congratulate you, I thank you. I take this moment as a wonderful moment in my life to be with you this evening. Thank you, Jai Hind.
As promised, we are now going to open it up for question and answers for the speakers here. We will be able to take a maximum of 3 to 5 questions. If anybody has a question, please raise your hand and for who it is.
Hello. Good afternoon to everybody. Good afternoon, good evening to everybody on the stage. My name is Kiran and I have recently graduated from an engineering college in Hyderabad. In most of the speakers' speeches that they prepared and delivered today. I have a question for respected MS Reddy Garu. As far as your A to Z of entrepreneurship is concerned, how best would you say would someone like me apply those principles when I in fact have just started up with a company which deals in creative media? I've done my undergraduate course in biotechnology, but I found that my better calling, my true calling lies in areas of creativity like advertising, marketing, and filmmaking, just to name a few. We've also branched out into event management, so we're in a mode of experimentation. So what would be your principal advice for us to make 2014 the defining year for our company and step it up to the big leagues?
Congratulate you, you graduated with biotechnology, which is a beautiful technology in my opinion. When I was going to college, there's no word called biotechnology back in 1968 through 72. Just like Honorable Minister and we both went to schools pretty much same time. You were at Oklahoma and I was at Iowa. Anyway, to my book on A to Z of success. When I wrote the book in 1988, that is the time I wrote the book. At that time, my principle has been, irrespective of what field you're in, because just because you have graduated in biotechnology, that doesn't mean you have to stick to it. There are 2 ways you could make it. Ultimately, that's not going to leave you. Just like I was a veterinarian, And then I shifted my field to biotechnology. And then a few years later, when the company was doing good, I went back to introducing medicines again. Okay? So it won't leave you, but good luck to you, you will do very well. Because as a matter of fact, you're trained in a good field, and now you're interested in media, why not? See, education doesn't mean, like this is the difference between our country and United States, which Honorable Minister will agree with that. Just because you got a degree in biotechnology, that doesn't restrict you. So you have already improved your intellect. So use the intellect in another field, you'll do very well. As a matter of fact, cross training is beautiful. I hope I answered your question.
Be here with you. My question is with Srini Rao sir. Sir, when I joined my engineering, I'm in my final year graduation from Lovely Professional University, Jalandhar. So I'm in my electronics department. When I started out, I have thought that India doesn't have any innovative company like Apple or Google. Same as you said that Silicon Valley is the one which has always been producing breakthrough products, which now and then changes for literally. So when I started out my engineering, I always wanted to start a company similar to that of Apple and Google. So I have been wondering about various technologies. So I've gone through a holography, which might be of concern because it's totally related to IT, software development, and also the technological electronics part of it. I have gone through many hardships regarding R&D part of it. Sir, I want to start up a company which is totally dealing with holography because I believe holography is the next big thing. How can I approach to this? Because I have seen many scholars through various IITs, I have gone through various professors for research and development. They said that, see, if you are going through holography, there is a big box-like thing which is of this volume, which will produce a small image over there. So I want to make it user-friendly because it's the one which will replace all this mobile phone, iPads, projectors, everything. So how should I start off?
To understand the subject well. So after this is done, I'll give my card. You send me your coordinates. I'll put you in touch with those people who can answer those questions.
That's fine, but I didn't really exactly realize what exactly you want. For example, we have the incubator facilities. We can provide you plug and play type of this thing to incubate your idea. Unless the idea becomes marketable, isn't it? India doesn't have. Well, so let us start with you then. No problem. Huh? That's wonderful. That's a good one. Yeah. A Chinese philosopher says, for a 1,000-mile journey, the first step is required. I think we are getting first step from you. That's why the Eric Schmidt of Google said, a company like Google can be, incubated in India. That's what he said recently. And most of the people working for Google also are Indians, etc. Start R&D, that's what he says. Yeah. And then if there is anything that we can do, you let us know. But, no, I cannot give you, R&D work. I cannot, supplement your work. But outside your work, whatever is required for your work, we can always facilitate you to do it. That's all I can say.
I out in college and already been part of a startup company in my college bit. What I've faced through my experience as in the startup is the lack of funding that we see for different kinds of startups that we have in colleges. Because I've met with various college students in my interactions as part of my working for my startup. It's called Connected. And I've found that funding is hard to come by. I mean, there are many people who express interest and there are many people who seem enthusiastic about it. But when it comes to, actually getting down to the nitty-gritty of it all, there are many people who back out and say, you're just college students, there's a lot you have to learn. And especially since I'm very young, I've just started out in college, so you have a lot to learn and etc. So we've been facing a lot of problems in that. So how do you guys, I mean, you faced, you must have started out when you were young in this way. Mr. Valprasad sir has talked about, you know, the various troubles that he faced when he was setting up Shanti Biotech, and I wanted to know how you went around those problems and tried to make your startup a company and successful enterprise.
I can answer on behalf of. Do you want to answer? No, I don't want to. Whichever way you want. Okay, why don't you answer? Why don't you answer?
Time is not there.
Go ahead, you go ahead.
తెలుగు వచ్చమ్మా? వెరీ గుడ్. నేను చెప్పిన దాంట్లో ఏం విన్నావు నువ్వు? సంకల్పం మంచిదైతే తప్పనిసరిగా సిద్ధిస్తాయని చెప్పానా? నాకు కూడా ఏ బ్యాంకు ఇవ్వలేదు. సో కాల్డ్ ఐడిబిఐ, ఐఎఫ్సిఐ, ఆంధ్ర బ్యాంక్, స్టేట్ బ్యాంక్, నన్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ కేమ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ బికాస్ ఆనాటికి అది కొత్త టెక్నాలజీ. 92 నాటికి బయోటెక్నాలజీ ఈ దేశం లేదని నమ్మారు వాళ్ళు. కానీ ప్రారంభించి వెనక తిరగకుండా చేశాం. మధ్య మార్గంలో కొంతమంది ఒమాన్ నుంచి వచ్చి వాళ్ళ పర్సనల్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ చేసి అక్కడ లోన్స్ ఇప్పించారు, అక్కడి నుంచి లోన్స్ ఇప్పించారు. బికాస్ దే లైక్ ది ఐడియా దట్ టు మేక్ ఎ అఫోర్డబుల్ వ్యాక్సిన్ ఇన్ దిస్ కంట్రీ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆ ఉద్దేశం మీద వాళ్ళు నచ్చి అక్కడి నుంచి ఫండ్ చేశారు. వాళ్ళ పర్సనల్ గ్యారెంటీస్ చేశారు. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ రేటు 4.5%. ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు మనకు 19.5. మన బ్యాంకులు ఇవ్వకపోవడే మంచిదైంది. నాకు ఇచ్చుంటే నేను ఇరుక్కుపోయేవాడిని. వాళ్ళు 4.5% ఇంట్రెస్ట్తో వాళ్ళ పర్సనల్ పూచికత్తుతో, బికాస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ హ్యాస్ వాల్యూ ఇన్ ఇట్, ఇంట్రిన్సిక్ వాల్యూ. మీరు కూడా అలాంటి ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏమైనా టేకప్ చేస్తే ఎక్కడి నుంచో దైవ సహాయం జరుగుద్ది. అది నా నమ్మకం. దాన్ని నమ్మండి.
Change from the day Dr. Varaprasad Reddy has started. Yeah. So now these days, personally, I feel that there is no dearth of money. There's all of us every time look for opportunities to invest. Now, since you're just starting it, I have few suggestions for you. There are quite a few organizations that we've been coordinating with. You know, Startup Saturday. There's one event that happens. But just to start from where you want to start is, you know, this something called IIIT Hyderabad. There is an incubation center there. There's a person called Vasudev Verma, who's a professor who's in charge of it. Just meet with him. There's many ways that you can start your entrepreneurship. As they say that you're younger, then they say, okay, why don't you work with one of the teams that are there? And we won't tell who it is, but you'll be introduced to someone there. And it's your idea or their idea, whatever it is, you start with something. But the money is there. Money is there in different organizations. It is available anywhere between from 20 lakhs to 1 crore to 2 crores kind of thing. But you just have to convince some of these people. Very often you get disappointed saying that these people don't understand what I'm saying. But it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen like that. So start with that place. You will find both your future business partners there and also the money that you want.
One more thing I would like to add here. The state government, through the IT department, we have a tie-up with Netherlands Research Group and also BITS Pilani and NIP. So we incubate the ideas which come up, and up to 50 lakh rupees assistance can be given in the initial period. So this is in the preliminary stage. In a month's time, I think all the guidelines will be clear. So you can also take advantage of that also.
I have another thing for you. You're young. You stirred up all of us here. Okay, we're all talking about your question here. My belief is a lot different than investments and all that. If you have determination to do it, you don't need money to make money. Okay? I'm a strong believer of that. Because you be good. Yeah, thank you. You be good at what you do. Learn the best, what you could do, and then come up with an idea. This is where I was telling earlier. Earlier I told you, if you have an invention, it doesn't cost much. Okay? You can copyright it or patent it, and that could be sold. Okay? There is one element. India, brain power is very strong. Okay? So that's one way you can get going, so you don't have to depend on the one window structure. Okay?
Yeah, that ends the question to all the speakers this evening. Will come and give the memento to Mr. Punal. Mr. Ayodhi Ramiredi garu.
వరప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి గారు, డాక్టర్ ఎంఎస్ రెడ్డి గారు, అల్లా అయోధ్యనాథ్ రెడ్డి గారు, డాక్టర్ సంజీవ్ రెడ్డి గారు, పైలా మల్లారెడ్డి గారు, ద్వారకానాథ్ రెడ్డి గారు, శ్రీదేవి రెడ్డి గారు, మీడియా, నాకా ఆఫీసర్స్ కి, ఆడియన్స్ కి అందరికీ కూడా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పే ముందు చూశారు కదా. కొన్నాళ్ళ తర్వాత నోబెల్ ప్రైజ్ రిసిపెంట్ గా రాబోతున్నారు. తర్వాత ఈ పెద్దలు చెప్పిన ఈ యొక్క సలహాలని మనం పాటిస్తే తప్పకుండా ఏజింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని మనం 100% అవాయిడ్ చేయొచ్చు. తర్వాత మనం తప్పకుండా బిలియనియర్స్ నాతో నడుపుని నేను కూడా. అయితే దీంట్లో మన హరిశ్చంద్ర ప్రసాద్ గారికి అబ్బాయికి ఇచ్చిన ఈ గ్రేడ్ ని ఈ ఫంక్షన్ ఇస్తున్నాను. హరిశ్చంద్ర ప్రసాద్ గారికి ఒకసారి వెళ్ళవలసిందిగా ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను. నేను హరిశ్చంద్ర ప్రసాద్ గారు, మీ అబ్బాయికి ఇచ్చిన ఈ గ్రేడ్ ని ఈ ఫంక్షన్ ఇస్తున్నాను. ఈ అంటే ఎక్సలెంట్. అందరికీ పెద్ద వేదిక అలంకరించిన పెద్దలందరికీ కూడా, మీడియా వారికి, మళ్ళీ శ్రీదేవి రెడ్డి గారికి, ఆడియన్స్ కి మళ్ళీ 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 థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పుకుని మళ్ళీ తొందరలో మనం ఇలా కలుసుకుందామని చెప్పి ఆశిస్తూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటాం.